Currently I'm looking for a way to pass the electrical wiring for the switch through the firewall, and I've probed a little location already. This is a 2008 Tundra. On the brake booster there's a grommet with some electrical. You can cut an X in that grommet. I'm just probing it right now, and you can get to it from the inside too, which is what I did. Using some metal wire or a coat hanger works too. This is a little sturdier. From the inside, you would have to locate the emergency brake pedal, and just to the left of it, you can peel some of the interior carpet back out, and you can pass a probe through there. I'm going to use this wire, tape my electrical on the other end, and pull it through. This is a location some will use for power cables for amps and whatnot, speakers, audio. So I got my location. I'm gonna pull this through some. I'll tape the wiring harness and then pull it through. I want to show this area a little better. So there's a rubber grommet and the electrical that passes through it. I'm gonna wrap tape around both the electrical and my rod here. All right, now it's ready to be pulled through. I'm gonna pull on the rod from this side. Now I'll be pulling it through. Yeah, I got it.